Chapter 16th verse, Bhagavan Krishna clearly dismisses any travel to be the real goal of life. Bhagavan Krishna says, Abrahma bhuvana lokaha punaravartino Arjuna. Here to understand this terminology, it's important for me to present idea of lokas. Shastra typically presents a 14 loka model, 7 up and 7 down, otherwise called urdhvalokaha or adholokaha, urdhvagati or adhogati. So urdhvalokaha, 7 urdhvalokaha, they begin with Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam. And then 7 down, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, Patala. These are the 14 lokas mentioned, and sometimes Shastra just says 3 lokas which represents these 14 lokas. Like in 15th chapter, as I pointed out earlier, Yo Lokatrayam Avishya, the one who's manifest as the 3 lokas. Here 3 lokas is just an upalakshana, a number representing all lokas. Then he says, Abrahma Bhuvana Lokaha. He begins the list from the topmost loka, which is Brahma Loka. So, Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha. From Brahma Loka onwards, all lokas, up to Patala. Bhagavan Krishna says, Punaravartinaha Arjuna. One comes back from there. Where? From there to Bhuloka. Bhuloka is looked at as a karma bhumi, and the urdhvalokas and adholokas are looked at as a bhoga bhumi. The urdhvalokas are meant to give us pleasurable experience, and the adholokas are meant to give us painful experience. Having experienced this punya and papa phala, one comes back to Bhuloka. Now you might be wondering, why am I talking about Brahma Bhuvanan Lokaha where Vaikuntha is not mentioned? This is where the Vaishnavas seem to be blinded to what Shastra is really saying. Because in Vishnu Puran 879, Vedavyasji says, Vaishnavo paramo lokaha Vaikunthakyo sanatanaha Satyaloka iti proktaha brahmanah padabuttamam. When we talk about the 7th loka, Brahma Loka, otherwise called Satyaloka, synonym for Satyaloka is Vaikuntaha, which Vaishnavas refer to. And which is also Kailasha, which Shaivas refer to. And in 8.16 Bhagavad Gita, this Brahma Loka, Satyaloka, Vaikuntha, Kailasha, even Goloka, everything is said to be not absolute. It's not moksha. It is not the ultimate goal.